prepare Goan traditional gorshe or atol, we'll be using boiled rice, split peas or chana dal, grated coconut, cardamom powder, salt and jaggery. So I'm using two types of jaggery, that's coconut jaggery and sugarcane jaggery. I'm using 250 grams of brown boiled rice. You have to soak them in water for at least 4 hours. But even better if you keep it soaked overnight. And if you don't have boiled rice, then you can use normal rice. Here I'm using 150 grams of split peas or chana dal soaked in water. Same like rice, soak it for 4 hours or even better overnight. This is coconut milk and I have grinded one whole grated coconut and extracted the coconut milk, which is 300 ml of coconut milk. You can use coconut canned milk as an option for you. I'm using 150 grams of jaggery together, which is coconut jaggery and sugarcane jaggery. And I'm cutting it into small pieces. I'm using two different types of jaggery because of the color combination. Take a pressure cooker, add the split peas, add the boiled brown rice, add 500 ml of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use a normal vessel to cook. That will just take an extra few minutes to cook. Split peas and rice are 80% already cooked. And now I will take this rice and split peas in a separate pan. Now add 300 ml of coconut milk, and stir it gently. So I'm using another teaspoon of salt. Add the mixed coconut jaggery. Mix it well until it dissolves. Now you can add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Keep stirring and cook it on a medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes or until it is well good to serve. Our Goan traditional gorshe is ready. As you see, it's completely dry now. I will highly recommend to use a non-stick pan to make the gorshe. Now we'll transfer this into a plate. Now let's give a nice shape to this. Once given a shape, set it aside to cool down and then to be served. If you liked our recipe, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to give your feedbacks in our comment section. Stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.